Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? I know it's been really long since I uploaded a video. So I wanted to share how I got ready this Rakhi using the VLCC Gold Kit. I will be showing the demo in this video. Definitely check that out. And yes, I will be sharing the entire Rakhi vlog, what I did with my cousins. So definitely stay tuned till the entire video. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. अगर आपको future में भी ऐसी videos देखनी है. So I was not posting on YouTube, but I was really busy with Instagram and other things. So definitely follow me there if you would want to stay tuned with all the reviews and videos. I do a lot of makeup videos there on Instagram as well and mini reviews on Instagram. Definitely check out my handle. So guys, now let's proceed with how I got ready for Rakhi with this kit. Guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about how to get parlor-like glow at home in just simple 6 steps and just takes 10 to 15 minutes. So I will be using the VLCC Gold Kit. So this is a facial kit. It has 6 steps. The first step is the cleanser cum toner. Second is the gold scrub. Third step is the gold gel. The fourth step is gold cream. The fifth step is the gold peel off mask. And the last one is the oil-free moisturizing gel. So let me take you through all the 6 steps and you can see how you can easily get glowing skin at home. So let's go. So the kit comes in a pack like this. On the tube, the steps are already mentioned so you don't get confused. The first step is the gold facial cleanser. So let me first apply the cleanser and then let's proceed to the next steps. So the next step is the gold scrub, which will remove all your dead skin cells and oil from your face. Let's go for the next step. So the third step is the gold gel. You can easily get a very soft and supple skin after using this. So after you're done with massaging your skin with the gold gel, you will then use a gold cream. This will again deeply nourish your skin. It's very moisturizing. Kind of again go on upward strokes and massage this cream into your skin for more supple and moisturized look. For the fifth step, you will go for the gold peel off mask, especially when you're going to a party or an occasion. So let's go for the fifth peel off mask. The last and the final step is the moisturizing gel. So this is oil free, it will not clog your pores and this will add a very nice glow to your skin because this is a gold moisturizing gel and I will be using this in the end and then my skin will be prepped and my facial will be done. So let's go for the sixth and final step. If you're going for a party or an occasion, you don't need to separately spend on cleanser, scrub, moisturizer. You can just buy this kit and this kit retails for about 1200 rupees and you also get a rose toner free with it. So you can also take it in a spritz bottle and spray it on your face after you're done with your makeup, or you can also apply it before using your makeup. So you can definitely check out this kit. We use this for all the festive occasions. So check this out. VLCC also comes with many such kits, like this is the pedicure and manicure kit, which is hand and foot care kit. If you would want a demo on this, please let me know in the comments. I will try to do a separate reel video on this. I'll try to post it on my Instagram, so definitely hit the link and follow me on my Instagram. And this is going to be a really handy pedicure and manicure kit. So you can definitely check this out. And for all you coffee lovers, you can check out the VLCC Arabica coffee scrub and mask. This is a coffee sugar detan exfoliating scrub, removes your dead skin cells and also helps to remove tanning, and you can also use it on your face and hands. And yes, this is the peel off mask. So if you want a review on any of these products, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to put it on my Instagram. So definitely follow me on my Instagram and definitely check out VLCC. Check out these products, link in description. And guys, now let's proceed with the vlog. in Dwarka and we are going to Vegas Mall. So I'm here at my cousin's house and we'll be going to the mall. Hi guys, we are in Vegas Mall. Look at the view. Guys, so we are going to Social Dwarka. So this is the place. Hi guys, our food is here. This is corn soup, na? Corn soup. That is manchow soup. Hi guys, so we just got done with our dinner at Social. Let me just show you the mall. Hi guys, today is Rakhi and I'm starting this Rakhi vlog. So if you have seen in the previous video, you have seen the journey where I came to my mama's place, and right now we just got done with Rakhi. So I'm going to be showing you the matching lumba that I got for myself and my cousin sister. And I got this lumba and we just had such a good time. Got done with Rakhi. I put the pictures in the vlog and I will be showing you the rest of the celebrations. So stay tuned. So guys, we just did the tika on Rakhi, and this is my cousin Isha. Hi. So we just got matching lumbas.
Thank you.
So you're welcome. We are having fun. So we are just going to have the meal right now. And you saw the pre-Rakhi celebrations which we celebrated at Social Dwarka. We are having a great time after so long.
So long.
Let me know how did you like this video. If you haven't subscribed this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video, and please comment and tell me how was your Rakhi celebration.